don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If it is disposable diapers you're looking for, I can tell you, I don't have any. But what I do have are a very particular set of cloth diapers. Cloth diapers that I've developed over a very long career. Cloth diapers that make me a delight for babies like you. If you choose Lil Helper now, that will be the end of it. I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you don't, I will look for you. I will find you. And I will cloth diaper you.